Not everything in nature is empty. It only feels that way because it hasn't noticed you. There are places people avoid, not because they're dangerous, but because something is already there. Not moving, not hunting, just present. At first it's small, branches bending the same way, shadows that almost look like something. Then everything goes quiet and you feel it. They don't walk. They don't need to because they are not inside the forest. The forest is inside them. Every step you take, every path is already decided. And once you are noticed, you are no longer passing through. You are being observed. Diwata.